Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming normals and the material blend mode so Blender renders predictably. In Edit mode, select all and recalculate normals to face outward, then enable backface culling to spot flipped faces. Next, open the material settings and set blend mode to opaque if you don't need transparency. Use alpha blend only when textures require it. Once done, apply object scale with Ctrl+A. Inconsistent scale can break normal maps and shader behavior, so make sure values read 1, 0. Now address shaders and textures. Inspect the node setup in Shader Editor so your image texture nodes feed necessary sockets. If an image has transparency, confirm the alpha output is used by the shader and the material's blend mode supports it. For normal maps, set color space to non-color and route through a normal map node. Otherwise, surface lighting reacts oddly and causes apparent transparency. Once textures are corrected, make sure mix shader factors aren't accidentally left at 0 or 1, which can hide layers. Finish by testing rendering engines and scene settings. Render a quick preview in Eevee and Cycles because Eevee's transparency and shadow settings differ, enable screen space reflections, and adjust shadow bias if needed. Check object modifiers like Solidify or Boolean that may introduce inverted geometry. Apply or toggle them to see effects. Finally, if transparency persists, duplicate and isolate the object in a new scene to narrow the cause. If problems remain, inspect for duplicate faces and inverted normals. Fixing those usually resolves lingering transparency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.